If your Ford Escape stalls at stoplights, a dirty throttle body or a clogged EGR valve is usually the problem. Carbon buildup restricts airflow and throws off the air-to-fuel ratio. When engine speed drops to idle, this restriction causes a sudden stall. You can fix this issue right in your driveway. Park your Escape on a level surface and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Locate the throttle body between the air intake hose and the intake manifold. Loosen the hose clamp and slide the intake tube off. Look inside to spot the dark carbon deposits choking your engine. Use a dedicated throttle body cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Never use brake cleaner, as it can damage delicate electronic sensors. Spray the cleaner onto your cloth and gently wipe the inside barrel. Manually open the butterfly valve to clean the edges where buildup is worst. Next, check the exhaust gas recirculation valve. When the EGR valve gets stuck open from carbon fouling, it creates a vacuum leak that kills the engine at idle. Find the EGR valve near the intake manifold. Disconnect its electrical plug and the attached vacuum line. Unbolt the EGR valve using a socket wrench and keep the metal gasket safe. Spray carbon cleaner directly into the valve openings and let it soak. Use a small wire brush to scrape away stubborn deposits inside the passages. Ensure the internal pintle moves freely before reassembly. Reattach the EGR valve with its gasket and secure the mounting bolts. Reconnect the electrical plug and vacuum line. Slide the air intake hose back onto the throttle body and tighten the clamp. Reconnect the battery terminal, start your engine, and enjoy a steady idle.